Hey guys, my name is Maria and I'm going to show you guys how I utilize my Scone Cosmetics beauty sponge in my everyday makeup routine. And I think it's really cute because it has like this little camouflage thing going on, and it also comes engraved with their own brand. It says Scone right here, and I just thought that was cute. So first I would start off by applying my concealer. Any concealer would work. It's really up to you. You know, you're gonna cover your bags, even though mine are Chanel. So you cover up like so, just by dabbing lightly in the skin. And personally, I like to use the beauty sponge for not only my concealer, but also like baking and stuff. So after I apply the wet product with one side, I like to use the other side to apply the dry product. So I would use my baking powder, and then I would lightly put it underneath the eye, same place I put the concealer, like so. And then we wait a couple seconds. And then we get our Scone Cosmetics powder brush. And then we just slowly take the powder off from underneath the eye. And boom. You cannot see not one imperfection. That's it.